Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn setting up Metasploitable machine. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. This virtual machine can be used to conduct security training, test security tools, and practice common penetration testing techniques. Let's open a browser and search Metasploitable to download. Click on sourceforge.net link. You can select any link like Rapid, GitHub, and so on. I'll go for sourceforge.net. Let's download Metasploitable to zip file. Here you can see that it is downloaded. Extract the zip file. Open up extracted folder and run Metasploitable VMware virtual machine file. Here you can see that Metasploitable 2 is loaded in virtual machine. Type username as msfadmin and password as msfadmin. Let's see Metasploitable 2 IP address. Its IP address is 192.168.154.246. By changing from NAT to bridge, opens the VMware and network up to potential attacks. To maintain a safe network, you could skip this process of NAT to bridge and only use the host only network. So that's it in this video on setting up Metasploitable vulnerable machine. Thank you for watching this video.